For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
When it comes to outdoor cooking and barbecue, I have to share my experience with the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill 22-inch Black. I've been using it on weekends for family cookouts, and it really makes the process smooth and enjoyable. One feature I love is the tuck-away lid holder. Instead of setting the hot lid on the ground, I just slide it to the side, keeping my cooking area clean and safe. The 22-inch cooking surface gives plenty of room. I've cooked up to 13 burgers at once with a Weber burger press. Everything cooked evenly, and the gourmet barbecue system inserts make it flexible if you want to try different grilling accessories. The hinged cooking grate is a lifesaver, letting me easily add more charcoal while grilling without disturbing the food. Cleanup is one of those parts we all dread, but the one-touch cleaning system makes it simple. Ash and debris from charcoal sweep right into the removable ash catcher. I remember one evening after a long grilling session, emptying the ash was done in seconds, saving me a lot of effort. The grill is built to last. The porcelain-enameled lead and bowl handle high heat well and retain warmth consistently. After multiple uses, even under different weather conditions, it has resisted rust and peeling. I feel confident this is a grill that will last for years. Temperature control is simple and precise. The built-in lid thermometer lets me monitor internal heat without constantly lifting the lid. And the kettle basin's 3 air vents with swiveling damper blades allow me to adjust airflow perfectly. Over time, I've learned how to tweak them for different foods, which consistently gives excellent results. In short, the Weber Master Touch Charcoal Grill is practical, durable, and user-friendly. From smart lid storage to easy ash cleanup and precise temperature control, it combines real-world convenience with solid performance. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting friends, this grill delivers both in function and experience.